If you're searching for a genuine Hostinger coupon code and a quick Hostinger review, here's a simple breakdown. Hostinger currently has offers across all plans, and when you use my link in the description or scan the QR code, you'll unlock an extra 20% discount, plus 3 extra months added automatically. In this Hostinger review, the platform focuses on speed and ease. You get a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, light-speed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, making it easy to launch your site. You also have advanced options like Hostinger VPS, Hostinger Horizons, Hostinger openclaw, and Hostinger N8N when you need more control. That's why Hostinger is often included among the best web hosting platforms, and every plan is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. To use the latest Hostinger coupon code, get the extra 20% off and 3 additional months. Just tap the link below or scan the QR code.